In this video I am going to teach you where you can get inspiration for making designs. These are really simple method for taking some inspiration and theme ideas for making designs. Like graphic designing, textile designing, logo designing, and many more. So let's start. First go to Google and click on images. Search here theme name. You can search here any theme. I will share with you some theme names. You can search on Google, Pinterest, Shutterstock, Bing, and many other searching browser for taking some inspirations. For more update, just subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.